Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to get money off Instagram in 2025. Whether you're a beginner influencer or a small business owner, Instagram offers incredible opportunities to turn likes into dollars. Let's break it down step by step so you can start monetizing effectively. First, focus on building a strong, engaged following. In 2025, algorithms favor authentic interactions, so create content that resonates. Think viral reels, eye-catching stories, and polls that encourage comments. Aim for quality over quantity to grow your audience organically. Once you have a solid base, explore monetization methods. Sponsored posts are a big one. Partner with brands that align with your niche. Use Instagram's partnership tools to negotiate deals based on your reach and engagement rates. For example, if you're in fitness, collaborate with workout gear companies. Next, leverage Instagram shopping. If you sell products, set up your shop feature to tag items directly in your posts. This makes buying seamless for your followers, turning window shoppers into customers. It's perfect for drop shipping or your own merchandise. Don't overlook affiliate marketing. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank, promote products in your stories or captions, and earn commissions on sales. In 2025, with AI-driven recommendations, this can be even more targeted. For advanced creators, use Instagram's subscription feature for exclusive content, like behind-the-scenes access or tutorials. Also, integrate AI tools to analyze trends and optimize your posting schedule for maximum visibility. Here are some quick tips. Post consistently, engage with your audience daily, track analytics to see what works, and always disclose partnerships for transparency. Remember, authenticity builds trust and long-term income. By applying these strategies, you could be earning passive income in no time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below on your biggest Instagram challenge. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.